On this Friday morning, we're tracking the rain, and that continues to overspread the region right now. And we are also noticing some areas of some steadier rain, especially in those areas shaded in yellow. That indicates some heavier rain that's pushing in. And we're seeing that in Culpeper, as well as back out towards western Maryland, parts of West Virginia at this hour. But we have more rain on the way. Looks like the bulk of our day will be wet for your Friday. The rain showers extend as far south as North Carolina right now as that warm front continues to move its way northbound. The drought monitor, though, again, we certainly do need the rain, a moderate drought for much of our region. So this rain will certainly help with that. Will also help with any of those allergy sufferers out there. Again, the pollen count will be relatively low today. It does jump a little bit on Saturday as we're going to be tracking some slightly drier conditions tomorrow. Now Sunday as well as Monday. Sunday we're tracking more of the wet weather. Monday, though, still going to be seeing mainly cloudy skies, temperatures a little bit cooler into the 60s. So thinking that the pollen count will still be relatively low then. Well, we're also talking about low visibility out there this morning because of the rain and a little bit of that fog. So something to keep in mind as well. Down about 4 miles in D.C., 2 in Leesburg, about a mile in Woodstock, 4 miles of visibility in Hagerstown at this point. Those temperatures are starting off in the 50s, so a relatively mild start. However, temperatures will really not budge all too much through the day today. We're talking about highs today right around 60, and we're going to be seeing that breeze, and we're already noticing some wind gusts picking up to right about 30 miles per hour for parts of the region. Likely seeing some gusts this afternoon right around 35 miles per hour. And as we take a look at Futurecast showing us the intensity of some of that rain as it moves through, we're looking at it around 9 a.m. this morning. Could be seeing that band pushing right into D.C. or even right along the I-95 corridor again by about 9 a.m. and then that eventually lifts its way off towards our north and east, tracking widely scattered rain showers as we get ahead towards noon today. And then we could be dealing with a few of those heavier downpours off towards the north and west later on this afternoon, and still tracking the scattered showers lingering through about midnight tonight. Should be drier as we look ahead towards tomorrow morning under mainly cloudy skies. Temperature starting off yet again into the 50s. But tomorrow we should be seeing some sunny breaks developing. And not only that, maybe an isolated shower threat. Not nearly as much rain as we'll see for the day today for tomorrow. But again, there's still that isolated shower threat. But it looks like we see more dry times than wet times tomorrow. We'll see those high temperatures right around 70 or at least low 70s tomorrow afternoon. Back into the 50s overnight, Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then we'll see some more rain showers pushing in, especially into the afternoon hours on Sunday. In terms of how much rainfall we can expect for the day today, looks like that soaking rainfall of at least an inch of rainfall for much of the area, but could see locally higher amounts, especially with some locations reaching at least 2 inches of rainfall. Warm front will lift off towards our north Saturday and Sunday, allowing those temperatures to be back into low 70s both weekend days, as opposed to today, which will be right around 60. Tracking the more rain, at least for the second half of the weekend. Then we should dry things out just in time for Monday. We'll be breezy, though, Monday as that system moves out. Temperatures will be back into the 60s for the start of that next work week. Shanika's here with a look at the roadways. How